Huh? Is that it? It's it. Oh, I hope it's it. Yes. It's here.
What is that?
Perfect.
Animation maker.
Yeah. Okay, let's go. Okay. Let's check this out. Been waiting for days. Close your eyes. Once I get this open, yes, this is it. The amazing Andymation flipbook kit. Oh, this is going to be fun. Okay. Let's see what's inside. Oh, has a tape around it. Oh, it comes off easily. Okay, let's open this thing up. Took off all the plastic wrap and on it and everything inside of it. Okay, so in here we got this flip book. Manual. So you just simple walking thingies. And then here's the light pad. So this looks pretty cool. The cord will be in here somewhere, so I'll show you and plug that in when I find it. And then there's Andymation's pencil. Okay, and here we got some paper. Well, it's kind of hard to get open. Oh, there we go. And take out. Oh wow, there's a lot of paper. There's a lot of paper here. It's cool. Okay, put that back in. Put that back in the edge. Sorry, my sister is going crazy. Okay. Now we have this grumpy cloud for the buckets. Okay. I'm just gonna. It's kind of hard to show this on screen. You see that? No, no. Oh, man. I'm not good at flipping very well like this. Okay. So we have that. And we have some connector things for the paper. Oh, here's the light pad thing and the eraser. Okay, I'm gonna get all that set up. Right, here it is. I set it all up and started doing my flip book and I finished it. Here it is. Oh, and I used this little foam for paper. It holds it underneath so it doesn't go around very much. See, it's kind of hard for it to slide around. So, okay. could see this. So, did you see that? He jumped off the side of his shore into the ocean, started swimming, and the boat hit him and he started drowning. Then the guy came to save him, and he put him on shore. So, that is the Andymation flipbook kit. Oh, and I was going to show you how bright this light pad is. Let's turn it on. That's pretty bright. That's only the middle setting. There's the high settings. It's really bright, like really, really bright. The paper fits on perfectly. And now it's doing right. Flipbook here. They both work. Both settings worked really good. So, yeah, if there's a decent amount of paper, could make like 4 or 5. Sorry, could make like 4 or 5 flipbooks out of that. So. Thanks for watching, and bye.